Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PrismAI token. Now the PrismAI token is a fairly new token here that just got a brand new central exchange listing today. This is based off of AI agents, which are very popular right now. And this token is on the Solana blockchain. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, PrismAI, the AI agent for Krypton meme coins, real-time search and trading insights knowledge mapping system powered by SWARMS. So, SWARMS has their own token. I did a video on SWARMS before. If you haven't seen that video, go check that one out. Now this token here, you can find on SolScan, BirdEye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. So far they have 6,764 holders. Started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It is deflationary, and right now the current supply, 999,992,459 tokens. Token price right now is about 1.34 cents per token. Now, this token was created on pump.fun, a page for creating Solana tokens. Now, name of the token is PrismAI, all one word. Ticker symbol is Prism, 6 decimal places on this token. And right now they have a market cap of a little bit over $13.4 million, according to their SolScan. Now, it was just announced today that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing January 7th, which is today, at 9 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed. So this token is available now on xt.com. So if you are looking to get this token here and you don't have an XT account, you could download XT from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you could get a open an account on xt.com on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PRISM, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, you could also get this token in a decentralized way, so maybe you don't want to use a central exchange or XT is not available in your country. On their Twitter right here at PrismAI Agent, you can see that they have the contract address right there on the Twitter. Real easy to find that. So it says the multi-AI agents for meme coins, real-time search plus trading insights, knowledge mapping system. And then it has the contract address and then a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go as well. So first of all, you would need a wallet for Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare or Phantom wallet, and you could download one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find RAYDIUM, and then you would trade your Sol for the PrismAI token using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter. Now, you probably will not have to set slippage, but you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of RAYDIUM. So PrismAI, illuminating the future with data In the world of cryptocurrency, information asymmetry and rapid market changes often lead investors to missed opportunities. So the birth of PrismAI aims to change this status quo by infusing the power of artificial intelligence into data analysis and trading decisions. We enable every user to possess the ability to foresee the future. PrismAI is the intelligent eye of the crypto world, not only observing but also leading. A powerful AI-powered Krypton meme coin influencer multi-AI agent built on the Solana blockchain. Now, this agent autonomously merges social media presence, trading strategies, and community engagement for meme tokens on Solana. PrismAI is an innovative conversational Krypton information search and transaction engine focused on providing fast, accurate answers through natural language processing. These agents are capable of independently performing complex tasks such as information search, data integration, and multi-step decision-making. And it comes with an autonomous browser-based image content recognition and analysis AI plugin that allows users to quickly analyze and read image content. So they have here a roadmap for the project here, starting with the beta launch of the PrismAI platform, then initial insights deployment, launch of proprietary scoring system, Telegram bot integration, UI UX enhancements, user feedback collection, performance optimization, Discord community launch, refinement of AI algorithms, real-time alerts, continuous platform refinement, enhanced scoring system, advanced analytics tools, feature expansion, infrastructure scaling. And then their long-term vision here is to achieve full-stack AI investment support across Web3, develop a comprehensive multi-agent marketplace, and establish PrismAI as the industry standard for crypto insights. Now, if you want to find all the info on this project, you can head over to their webpage, first of all, which is prismagent.ai. Then over there, you can click a document section, which will take you over to prism-ai-1.gitbook.io. And over there, they go over all the core functionalities. So the Prism highlights multi-AI agents, technologies used, the reflections, the framework, the use cases, the tokenomics, the media links, all available on their document section. And you can find this token on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, SoulScan. And as of today, you can find this token now listed on xt.com. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.